Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna give you some tips on how you can make your photos or video 5 times more aesthetics on CapCut. So you can do that by adjusting the coloring in your video or photo. So just click on adjust, and for the brightness you need to lower it into -15. Then the contrast, lower it again into -15. Click on the exposure and also lower it into -15. Then click on sharpen and increase it into 100. And you need to go to grabs and lower it a bit like this. Okay, then just go back, click on the highlight and lower it into -50. Shadow, increase it into 20. And lastly, go to temperature and increase it to 10. And you are done, and you can just adjust it on how much you want and you want the filter to apply to your clips. And here is the result for the video, and this is the result for the photo. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.